Are you struggling to get an interview? Or you are applying to different jobs but nobody is inviting you for an interview? Wait, then there is some serious problem with your resume and a cover letter. Don't worry. I'm Akanksha Douglas, Human Resource Professional. I'm here with the Resume series. This series will help you to stand out and to get the job interviews. This will be helpful for the students who are looking for the internship in various fields, professionals who are looking for the job or a job change, and the trainers who are looking for some innovative material to train the students. Nowadays in market, just for one job, reviewer got millions of job applications and it is difficult for the reviewer to read all the resume. So you need a standout resume and compelling cover letter to get a call. It takes just few seconds to convince the reviewer to read more. Many times reviewer will not even open your resume if it does not have a cover letter. So there should be something in your resume which make you different from others. In this series, we will be learning about basics of the resume, structure of it, that is traditional versus modern, writing guidelines, cover letter, and the common mistakes people usually do while writing the resume. At last, I will share some sites from where you can download the resume format. So let's start with the basics. What is the resume for? Resume is to sell yourself to the reviewer on why they should interview you. It's totally a marketing. If you don't understand what I mean, then let's have an example. What make you enter into the showroom or do the searching about particular product or watch a video related to that on YouTube? Because you have seen an advertisement related to it and that make you curious to know more about it. Same thing happens with your resume. It is also an advertisement. It just takes 20 seconds to convince a reviewer to read more about you and to call you, or else you will miss the opportunity. You have to get across the point very quickly and clearly that who you are and what you are selling, and then you need to explain the highlights right away. So with this, the reviewer will spend more time with your resume and get to know about your credentials. For example, I am looking someone for PHP developer profile and the person is highlighted that he knows PHP. So that resume will attract my attention and I will go in depth about it. I will look after the other details. In the same way the job portals work. They highlighted the things which we are looking for and make our work easy. So in short, your resume must contain keywords employer are looking for. Don't miss the opportunity just because of your resume. Make your resume stand out so that you can get a call from the company. In the campus, there are 150 students, so it becomes easy for you to fight with 150 students to get a placement. But in market, there are millions of people who are looking for the job. And for the one job, the reviewer got more than 2,000 job applications. And it becomes difficult for the reviewer to go through each and every job application in detail. So, make your resume stand out and your skills should not go unnoticed. That's all in this session. Stay tuned for the next video as we will go in depth about it. Thank you for watching.